Small children by the hand, and watch your step on the moving platform. The platform is moving at the same speed as your time machine vehicle.
Sliding doors in the time machine is fundamental. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children. The sliding doors in your time machine is automatic. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
And then stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please fill in where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos to the future. All systems are go. Linking you down to your gun.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet has sailed through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our consciousness. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here in this hostile world is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. But there's only one small problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reed stone is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, fans, signs, and unfortunately accents. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trained the Egyptians, they create a single common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABC? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of literature. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching them intriguing
Uranos, Veye, Ranefumanos,
From the Greeks, the Romans created a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and its leading But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or extinguished. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, been washed over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Called the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450s, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel far for these books and travel ages. Books make it easy to invent computer and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Now, communication technology races headlong into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
America, now connected. The Atlantic, the Pacific.
Welcome, 1956 Olympic heroes and television dinner at Paul Gold Medal in Berlin. Well done, great
Now, with communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else. To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but
Ladies and gentlemen, our time has been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving at any moment. Please remain seated. We will resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Now we would like to
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.